Hey, if you're looking for some headlights, these are the DNN Chevy Tahoe to Suburban headlights from DNN Motoring. This is the year 2000 to 2006. Okay, these fits the Suburban and the Chevy Tahoe. Alright, so what you see. What's the model number there? Alright, you can get these on Amazon. Alright, so you get lefts and rights. Open the box, let you see what it looks like. Alright, so these are the left, and we have the lower lights in this box. Okay. Very good. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these in and I'll get right back to you.